And in a significant observation pertaining to limits of Lokpal's power, Supreme Court has stayed January 27th Lokpal order, which said it has the power to look into complaints against sitting High Court judges, terming it as something very, very disturbing. My colleague Harish Nair has the details.
Yes, in fact, a big, very significant issue pertaining to the limits of the Lokpal's power. Yeah, last night, this special bench of the Supreme Court of Justices B.R. Gavai, Abhay S. Oak, and Suryakant had taken so much cognizance of the Lokpal. Taking cognizance of a complaint against a High Court judge saying that he had the powers to do so under the Lokpal and Lokayukta Act 2013, and he had initiated proceedings against a particular High Court judge in this connection. The Supreme Court has intervened and stayed such an order and has issued notice to the Union of India and the Registrar of Lokpal seeking the response by March 18. That is the next date of hearing. At the outset, both Kapil Sibal, who also happens to be the Supreme Court Bar Association President, and Solicitor General of India, who represents the centre, in fact, supported the view of the Supreme Court that Lokpal prima facie did not have the power to hear complaints against the High Court judges. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta clearly saying that as per the provisions of Constitution and several judgments of High Court, Supreme Court and High Court, the Lokpal did not have power to hear complaints against High Court judges. And Kapil Sibal even went on to say that it's fraught with danger and the Supreme Court must stay. Yes, and the Supreme Court bench said that this issue is very important and deals directly with the independence of the judiciary. So, Supreme Court takes so much cognizance of the ruling of the Lokpal and has stayed it, and the next date of hearing will be on March 18th.